what are the scenarios that the email notifications will be sent in the platform? So the emails will be sent for all the email templates list mentioned here. So if the payment of the admin for the admin is success for, so the admin will receive notifications for the payment success to his email. And for any payout request in the platform, suppose if the models are requesting a payout in the system, so for that the admin will be notified. For that the email notifications will be sent. Suppose if the model has signed up to the platform and the model's account is approved and verified, so for that the model will receive a notification from the platform. For that the emails will be sent. And suppose if any particular user is blocked by the model, and it will be sent. And suppose if the same model has unblocked a particular user, the user will be notified in an email that the he has been unblocked again. And suppose if there is any contact page, and while submitting that contact page, the notifications will be sent. And the email verifications will be sent for both the model as well as the user in the platform. And the forgot password option, suppose if the model or the user have forgotten their password and they are trying to set up their new password in the platform, for that the email notifications will be generated. And free subscription, suppose if the model has if the user is having any subscription with that particular model and the free subscription is expiring, so in order to notify the user, the notifications will be sent through the email, so that the user can plan his renewal accordingly. And the notifications, while if there is any new model into the platform, the emails will be sent to the admin to notify him. And for all the payout status, so if the payout request status is successful, if the model's payout success is rejected or approved by the site owner or the admin, then the model will be notified accordingly if the payout is success or rejected, etc. And if suppose if the subscriber has the model has already some subscribers, and if any user has cancelled his or her subscription, then the model will be notified that somebody has cancelled her subscription. And if there is any new subscription in the platform, that also will be notified. And if suppose the product purchase and the product if the product has to be refunded, or if the product is refunded, or if the product is shipped or product is delivered, for all the status of the product, the emails will be sent to the users and the models to track that efficiently. And suppose if the digital product is purchased by the user, and if he has downloaded that link, so there will be a notification sent that the to the user that the digital product link is purchased, and he can download with the digital download link. So so there will be an email sent to the user with the digital with an option to download the digital product. So this way, for all the notifications, uh, for all these functions, the email notifications will be sent in the platform. Thank you.